Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I set up this shot, which I call Incinerator. I'll also show you how I edited my image in Photoshop. As usual, I was shooting Star Wars The Black Series. We've got Tech, Echo, and Wrecker from the Bad Batch. I made this setup almost entirely with 3D printed parts. The main shoot here is actually a small part of a Star Destroyer bridge, which I'll leave a link for in the description. The backdrop on top was a spray-painted egg carton. To create the molten glow of the incinerator, I placed this small RGB panel light in the bottom of my shoot. Next, it was time to position my figures. Wrecker went right in the middle, and I tried to cram in as many battle droids as I could around him to make the shoot look nice and full. I then placed these 3D printed cafeteria benches on their sides to prop up my last two figures. With the scene set, it was lights out and time to shoot. But before that, let me quickly show you my lighting setup. In addition to the orange panel light, I had a ring light up top and another panel light on the side with a flag made out of a comic book board. Here's my starting image. It was already pretty close to what I wanted, so editing for this shot was minimal. My first step was a slight crop and rotation. Then I added adjustment layers to lighten up the levels and tweak the color balance. I used the dodge tool to bring out more detail on the helmets, then added a custom vignette to darken the corners of the shots. After that, I lightened up the molten glow at the bottom, and finally added just a touch of yellow glow to Tech's goggles. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's my final shot. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.